Today's video, we're gonna walk the pier here in Old Orchard Beach, Maine. Enjoy, you guys. Welcome everybody, Old Orchard Beach. Today's video, we're gonna go walk the pier, the Old Orchard Beach Pier. We're gonna go walk that, show you guys what's going on there, seeing if there's any difference from when you guys might have came here to look at that. Come here and visit with your family or with your kids or with your parents, or you might have been kids when you came here and now you're parents yourselves, or maybe even grandparents. You got the Palace Playland on the right and the pier. You got the carousel over here in the back. Got the condos on the left. Got some of the stores at the bottom. So let's go walk this historic pier. It says since 1898 that pier has been there, or they redid it, because I think at one time something had happened to it. I'm not quite sure. Some of you know in the comment, let me know. Got the Atlantic Ocean here in the background. Don't forget we're up here in Maine, so the water is going to be very, very cold. All right, let's go walk this. This must look nice here at night with all these lights. All right, heading up onto the pier. Has a nice welcome sign, welcome to the pier. Arcades, I think there's some stores and souvenirs, and I do believe there's a restaurant bar at the end. All right, let's just walk around here. I'll talk as we go along. Got a restaurant right here on the right, a little bit of an arcade here on the right. I mean, this is on the bar on the right, left. Got a little bit of an arcade on the right. Got the old claw machines. Look how they're making that one look like, hey, just puts 50 cents and you can get that. You guys know these are all gimmicks. Usually the hydraulics on these are not very good. Must be they need a little more hydraulic oil. All right, let's keep walking here. You got some apparel. Oh, you got a bathroom here. I didn't know. It costs $1. If you want to go to the bathroom, you got to pay $1. T-shirts. The pier. Get some food. French fries. Imagine there's corn dogs, pizza, nachos. Got the whole works. Here we go. You can see some of the people are on the beach today. This is going to be the west side of the pier. People are even in the water. I'm sure that water must be a little cold. Sand always looks good here. Always had nice sand here. All right, let's keep walking along. We're gonna head to the end of the pier. Make a quick video just so you guys walking along the pier. Got the ATM as usual. Got a place here for jewelry of some kind. You need some bongs. You got a top of the pier nightclub. So maybe on the end it might be a nightclub. All right, got some more jewelry, alcohol. Oh, let me get a quick look over here. We're just a little more ahead. You're gonna have some wind on the camera. Yeah, people in the water. Not too many, a little cold out there. I think it's 72 to 75 degrees, so it's not very warm. People are enjoying it though. It was last weekend, it's Labor Day weekend. So you're gonna have some wind on the camera, sorry about that. We're trying to get in here where there's less wind. All right. Got another little restaurant right here at the end. Got a bathroom here. Got some tables set up. See how they got some covering to try to keep some of the wind out when it's colder, and you can roll them up when it's nice and warm out. Look at this beautiful picture here. Beautiful picture. That's pretty cool. Okay, the patio pub it's called. All right, let's just take quick. So it's gonna be a restaurant. I think it becomes a bar at night. I'll just take a quick look in here. Not gonna go in too far. A lot of people in there. Don't want to get them on camera. Let me walk around here. Look at all the people that are eating. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video of the pier in Old Orchard Beach. Alright, you guys. Don't forget to look at the other videos. Enjoy. Adios, amigos. Can you believe that's just a picture on the wall? Looks really good though.